So back in 2024, we had 30,000 conversations. The next year in 2025, we had 115,000. We knew that 2026 was going to be huge. And by February, it was about 120,000 conversations. And at that point, we knew that we needed to scale very aggressively. My name is Shannon. I am the operations lead here at Kalshi. Kalshi is a CFTC-regulated prediction market exchange where people can buy and sell contracts based on real-world events. Support is really important here at Kalshi because time is very important. The people who are reaching out to support who need help, they need help right now when the market is live. There's definitely a lot of pressure to hire more people. We really didn't want to go down the route. Culture is very important to us to have a small team. We had explored other options with our previous platform that we were using and some other different options for AI solutions. It just did not work out. There were a lot of compliance and regulatory concerns, things not being trained appropriately, having the correct guidance, and then we ran into Finn. I had reached out to Finn about 3 weeks before the Super Bowl. We knew that we were going to have record-breaking volume. We met almost every single day to get Finn up and running on top of our current platform that we were using. And we got it up in about a week and a half, fully rolled out 100%. The Super Bowl came. We had 80,000 conversations in that 24-hour period. And Finn worked really, really well, keeping up with everything until our previous platform rate limited us. We weren't able to respond. We weren't even able to get those conversations coming in to our help desk. My initial knee-jerk reaction was anger, and then it was just immediately clarity that it's time to start from scratch and move the rest of our help desk to Finn. Now that we have Finn, we can get back to people much, much faster. We're at 80% full resolution across all of our support tickets. Finn, it's not just deflecting a conversation. It's diving deep into their deposit and withdrawal history, their trade history, looking at the markets that they have traded within their portfolio and helping the user make sense of their profit and loss. Now that Finn is handling more frontline stuff, we have time to dig into the metrics, see how we can improve there, do a little bit more proactive support, plan events with the community, and really get to be a part of our traders' lives just as much as they are to us. We're looking for 100% automation, 100% resolution, how we can use Finn in other areas, things that are maybe a little more sensitive that definitely at the beginning we were a lot more hesitant to kind of roll out. As we've seen Finn grow with us and we've grown with Finn, we've built a lot of trust to where we now feel comfortable. Let's try it, see where it goes. And it's working really well.